Hey everybody, AI Titus here. Let me show you how to do streaming with some new features from N8N. So go and find the chat trigger, and then I want you to add an AI agent, and we're going to add an option which is enable streaming from the options area. Then we're going to add a model, so I'll just do OpenAI, and let's do GPT-5 mini. There you are. And I like to do memory just so it remembers me. So simple memory 5 context window. Then we go over here and we double click this chat message, and we want to make this publicly available. And then if you look down here in the options area, there is response mode. And then response mode, you can do streaming. Okay. Hey there, I am a streaming AI. Okay, so we got that going. When you want to test it, you just got to hit change inactive to active, and then we'll go look at it right now. Okay, so here I can say, hey, how are you? Respond in a couple sentences. So normally this will hit and it'll just be sitting there like it did, right? And that was pretty fast. But let's do this. Tell me a short story. Now normally the normal chat instances, it will just keep dotting until it gets a full response back, and then it will actually start showing it. But watch what happens now. So as it starts to get in the stream, it starts streaming it in. So you get a faster, better response from your agent. So hope that helps. And please go ahead and check out AITitus.com.